Be okay.
Oh no!
Hello everyone, and welcome to our deep dive into Experience the Chaos of Nature Ever Caught on Camera. Today we're embarking on an immersive journey through some of the most jaw-dropping and chaotic moments our planet has ever captured on film. These recordings not only reveal nature's raw, unfiltered power, but also serve as vital lessons in preparedness, resilience, and the importance of taking proactive measures in the face of disaster. Natural disasters can transform our world in an instant. Studies show that in regions hit by severe events, up to 80% of vulnerable infrastructure can suffer extensive damage. Yet nearly 50% of households remain unprepared when disaster strikes. These figures are more than just numbers. They represent real lives at risk and underscore the urgent need for a well-thought-out emergency plan.
Catastrophic floods.
Let's start by exploring earthquakes, one of nature's most unpredictable and devastating phenomena. When an earthquake hits, entire neighborhoods can crumble into rubble within seconds. Recorded footage from major seismic events often shows that in some regions up to 70% of older, non-retrofitted buildings collapse under the tremendous forces of a quake. In contrast, cities that enforce modern building codes and conduct regular emergency drills have seen casualty rates drop by nearly 40%. This stark difference shows that even a 10% improvement in preparedness, whether through retrofitting structures or practicing evacuation procedures, can have a dramatic impact on saving lives and reducing property damage. Next, consider hurricanes and typhoons, colossal storms that unleash wind speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour and generate storm surges that flood more than 60% of coastal areas. Research indicates that roughly 65% of homes in hurricane-prone regions are at risk if they aren't properly fortified. The dramatic footage of these storms reveals scenes of shattered windows, collapsed roofs, and streets transformed into raging rivers. With advanced early warning systems and well-practiced evacuation plans, communities have been able to reduce potential damage by over 35%, proving that timely preparation is absolutely essential when nature unleashes its chaos. Tsunamis provide another striking example of nature's overwhelming force. Triggered by powerful undersea earthquakes, these towering waves can surge inland with heights reaching up to 100 feet in a matter of minutes. For example, the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami claimed over 2,000 lives and completely obliterated more than 75% of coastal structures in certain areas. These staggering statistics highlight the critical need for robust coastal defense systems and rapid evacuation protocols. Every second counts when facing such immense natural energy. Wildfires also vividly capture nature's unpredictable fury. In regions prone to wildfires, up to 60% of the affected land can be consumed during peak fire seasons. Studies have shown that communities implementing effective fire mitigation strategies, such as creating defensible spaces around properties and using fire-resistant materials, can reduce property damage by as much as 30%. The raw footage of wildfires with roaring flames and billowing smoke not only captivates our attention, but also serves as a powerful call to action for homeowners to invest in proper fire safety measures and ensure they have a clear evacuation plan. Flash floods add yet another dramatic layer to the chaos of nature. In urban environments, flash floods can inundate up to 70% of city streets in just minutes, transforming familiar neighborhoods into dangerous, fast-flowing torrents. Research indicates that households with a comprehensive flood plan and a well-stocked emergency kit can reduce potential damage by over 35%. This data reinforces that every proactive measure, such as knowing your local evacuation routes and securing heavy furniture, plays a critical role in minimizing the impact of disaster. Beyond these natural events, we also witness catastrophic moments resulting from human error and technological failures. Footage of industrial accidents, infrastructure collapses, and transportation mishaps reveals that nearly 50% of these man-made incidents could be mitigated with improved safety protocols and regular emergency drills. Whether the chaos stems from nature or from human factors, the underlying lesson remains consistent. Comprehensive preparedness is our best defense against unpredictable disasters. Data consistently shows that even a 10% improvement in individual preparedness can lead to significant reductions in overall damage during a catastrophe. Moreover, communities that engage in regular emergency drills and continuously update their disaster plans tend to recover up to 40% faster than those that do not. These percentages aren't abstract figures. They represent tangible benefits that save lives, reduce suffering, and limit economic losses when chaos erupts. As you experience these unfiltered moments of nature's chaos caught on camera, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your own readiness. Ask yourself, do you have a detailed emergency plan in place? Have you assembled a disaster supplies kit with enough food, water, and essential items to last at least 3 days? Are you aware of your local evacuation routes and the safest areas in your home? Simple proactive measures like securing heavy furniture, practicing evacuation drills, and staying informed about local hazards are not just recommendations, they are critical life-saving strategies. If these insights resonate with you, please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription helps us spread crucial knowledge about disaster preparedness and builds a community that is empowered to face any catastrophe head-on. And remember, don't forget to check out the link in the description for our top recommended safety product, a comprehensive emergency kit that could be your lifeline when the unpredictable strikes. Thank you for joining me on this deep exploration of Experience the Chaos of Nature Ever Caught on Camera. Each of these 100+ recorded moments serves as a vivid reminder of nature's untamed power and the immense value of being prepared. Please subscribe for more in-depth insights and practical advice on disaster readiness. And once again, click the link in the description for a recommended safety product. It might be the crucial tool that saves your life when chaos erupts. Stay informed, plan ahead, and above all, stay safe.